Hi, welcome to my channel. In this video, we're going to see how we can contact customer care on Zepto. If you are on Zepto homepage, if you want to contact your customer care executives, just go to your right side top corner, press on these three lines and scroll down. You'll be having the third option as customer support. Just click on this customer support. After clicking the customer support, you will be having three options here. First one will be phone call. Yes, you can contact them through phone call, and second one will be through chat. If you can press this, it will be enabling you to chat with those customer care executives. Or the third option will be you can send an email from your mail ID, register mail ID to support@zeptonow.com. Let's see how the phone call happens. If you click on the phone number, it shows a random phone number which is registered with Zepto. If you call on this one based on the registered phone number, it will allow you to talk to them and resolve your query. Thereafter, just click on the chat, will allow you to talk to the available customer care representatives. Just type your message, they will be just talking to you over chat box. Like this, you can chat whoever is available on chat, and thereafter you can write your email too. So simple, right? Thank you so much for watching this video. See you in the next one. Till then, bye bye. Subscribe the channel, like and share the video for more content.